औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने लगी हूँ Eng514 का क्विज़ 3। ये करंट क्विज़ है 2024 का, आप ऊपर डेट भी देख सकते हैं। तो ये वाले जो एमसीक्यूज़ है ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं। अगर आप वीडियो को कम्प्लीटली वॉच करते हैं तो इंशाल्लाह आप अपने क्विज़ में फुल मार्क्स गेन करेंगे। बट इससे पहले आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करना है। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है हमारे पास, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ टास्क बिफोर द टास्क इज़ परफॉर्म। टास्क को परफॉर्म करने से पहले जो उसको प्रिपेयर करने का प्रोसेस होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जर्विंग, प्लानिंग, स्किमिंग, एनालाइजिंग। तो ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट, प्लानिंग। एमसीक्यूज़ 2 है हमारे पास, लर्नर नीड्स टू नो द लैंग्वेज डैश नीडेड फॉर नेगोशिएशन। फीचर्स, प्रॉपर्टीज, आइटम्स, फैक्टर। तो ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट, फीचर्स। Which of the following process is a very effective means of encouraging learner through interaction? Assessment, conferencing, evaluation, negotiation. So negotiation is the correct answer. Formal speaking is a dash activity. Desired, unplanned, planned, focused. So planned is the right answer. Option C is correct. Which of the following approach suggests that speaking should not be encouraged until learner have substantial receptive experience? Logical, experimental, comprehension, focused. Option C is correct, comprehension. Next है जी हमारे पास, there is a very important mechanism involved in working memory called dash loop. Structural, phonological, lexical, morphological. तो phonological is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Giving learner a chance to prepare for dash can increase their chance of success. Judgment, task, debate, conversation. Task. Option B is correct. Languages can be classified according to whether they are stress time or intonation time, pressure time, pronunciation time या syllable time. Syllable time languages की 2 types होती हैं, stress time and syllable time. Which of the following activities has been called two-ways task or jigsaw task? Strip story, problem solving, cooperating tasks, split information. So split information is the correct answer. Option D is correct. Learner L1 have major influence learning the dash system of L2. Sound, speech, cognitive, communicative. Option A is correct, sound. Most learners are able to dash particular sounds without hesitation. Understand, follow, fabricated या mimic. तो mimic option D is the correct. There is a very important mechanism involved in working memory called dash loop. Structural loop, lexical, morphological, phonological. Option D is correct, phonological. In which of the following activities teacher writes 2 words on blackboard and draws a hand next to one of the word? Don't be tricked activity, identifying sound activity, none of the given option, listen and do activity. The option B is correct, identifying sound activity. In which of the following speaking conveying information is not as important as maintaining friendly relationship? Formal, focused, informal, planned. Informal. Friendly relationship maintain होते हैं informal में. Option C is correct. Formal speaking involves taking dash turns, long, short, repetitive या interesting. तो option A is correct, long. Giving learner a chance to prepare for dash can increase their chance of success. Conversation, task, debate, judgment. Option B is correct, task. ये वाला MCQs repeat हुआ है. Formal speaking is dash in nature. Transactional, interesting, interactional, tedious. तो option A is correct, transactional. Formal speaking is dash in nature. Sorry, ये वाला repeat हुआ है. Transactional is the correct answer. Which of the following task is a one-way task? Cooperating, split information, problem solving, complete the map. Option A is correct, cooperating. Split information जो है ये 2-way task है, तो इन दोनों में आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. Split information अगर स्टेटमेंट में 2-way task पूछा गया तो ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, और अगर 1-way task पूछा गया तो cooperating. लास्ट एमसीक्यूज है जी हमारे पास, learner need to know the language dash needed for negotiation. Items, features, factor, properties. तो ये वाला भी रिपीट हुआ है. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. देखिए ये 2 क्विजेस मैंने किए हैं और यहाँ पे भी इतने ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो आप जब ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह ये वाले एमसीक्यूज आपके क्विज में भी आएंगे.